Good morning. It is almost 9 a.m. and it is Friday, March 21st, and tomorrow is the Rogers, Arkansas's Time Traveler Expo, so I'm going to do my best to try to film my journey of getting there, setting up, and vending. So I'm waiting right now for my friend Britt to come pick me up, and we're going to carpool down to Arkansas. So let's go. The night before, I gathered all the bins of vintage displays, etc. to make sure I didn't forget any of the stuff I plan on bringing with me. Everything's all packed up and now we head out. Britt's up there about to drive. See you soon in Arkansas. Since the venue was carpeted and we can't drive in, everything had to be carted from the parking lot into the 10x10 space. One fatal flaw I made with setup was boxing myself in, so I had to go through other vendors' booths to get out. Luckily, I was surrounded by people I know.
To get set up just how I wanted took me about 3 hours. This included filming, which added to the time it took.
Alright, little booth tour. Everything's set up. This is where I will sit tomorrow. And my little register. Lots of glass and other goodies. We'll see how much is left. Hopefully not much. Toys and stuff. Here is the register set up on this side. We got my bags and paper. And here is Britt's setup. Good morning. So it's the next day, and today is the day of the Time Traveler Expo. I'm all ready. Well, let's show you the fit here. Here is today's fit. Let's see if you can see that any better. I am very excited. I'm gonna go downstairs our hotel and get some breakfast. Let me first show you the view out here. Here's the view. We're on the 7th floor.
The show started off with mostly people looking, making their rounds first, and then coming back and buying. There was a line of people waiting to get in, and I luckily had a spot close to the entrance. Unfortunately, my card reader wouldn't swipe cards. I could do tap to pay, but if they didn't have the tap feature on their card, I had to enter the numbers manually, which took forever. I filmed intermittently, but was able to catch a decent amount of sales on camera. I did my best with camera placement. About an hour before the end of the event, I started breaking down my displays, but I still kept everything out. I won't go over all the numbers, but I did sell 8 swimsuits and 107 vintage items, ranging from $3 to $144. Packing up, teardown, and loading out took me about an hour and a half.
Alright, we're on the road again. I don't know how well you can hear me, but Britt's driving. And we've just finished the show. Yeah, I got all the stuff in the car and now heading back to Tulsa. So, thanks for watching if you did. Bye!